Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use XML files in VN. XML files are incredibly useful for transferring your video projects between different devices or sharing them with collaborators. They essentially package all your editing decisions, like cuts, transitions, and effects, into a single, manageable file. This makes your workflow much smoother and more efficient, saving you valuable time and effort. Once you have an XML file, importing it into VN is straightforward. You'll find a clear import option, usually on the main screen or within the project creation menu. Simply tap it, navigate to where your XML file is saved on your device, and select it. VN will then automatically load all the project data, ready for you to start editing or reviewing. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After importing, the real fun begins. You can now fully customize the project. Change transitions, tweak effects, adjust audio levels, or even swap out video clips. Every element from the original XML is now editable within your VN project. Once you're happy with your modifications, remember to save your updated project, and you can even export it as a new XML file.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.